Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Imagine walking into a home filled with soft colors, vintage charm, cozy textures, and the peaceful feeling of the countryside. That is the beauty of English country cottage decoration. Today, I will share beautiful decorating tips that can instantly make your home feel warm, timeless, and cozy. Create a soft color story. English cottage homes usually use soft and calming shades. Think about creamy whites, shades green, dusty blue, warm beige, soft floral pink. These gentle colors make rooms feel peaceful and inviting. Decorate with nature. Bring the countryside indoors. Try using fresh flowers, lavender bundles, small herb pots, wooden decor, wicker baskets, natural stone accents. Nature gives the home a peaceful English countryside feeling. Style open shelves carefully. Open shelves are perfect for cottage decorating. Display vintage dishes, teacups, old cookbooks, ceramic jars, wooden cutting boards. Avoid making shelves look too perfect. A slightly relaxed arrangement feels more natural. Use cozy bedding layers. English cottage bedrooms should feel soft and inviting. Layer floral bedding, knit blankets, linen sheets, puffy pillows, quilts. The more cozy texture you add, the warmer the room feels. Choose comfortable furniture. English cottage style focuses more on comfort than luxury. Look for soft sofas, slip-covered chairs, cushioned benches, deep armchairs. Furniture should feel relaxing and welcoming. Add vintage wall clocks and mirrors. Old-fashioned wall decor creates timeless cottage charm. Try distressed mirrors, antique clocks, rustic wooden frames, vintage signs. These small details make the home feel collected over time. Use candles for cozy atmosphere. Candles create soft, romantic lighting that fits perfectly with cottage style. Place candles on dining tables, near bathtubs, on shelves, beside books, in lanterns. Warm candlelight makes the space feel magical. Decorate the bathroom like a cottage spa. Even bathrooms can have English cottage charm. Add floral curtains, wooden stools, vintage mirrors, small plants, rolled towels in baskets. Soft details make the bathroom feel relaxing and elegant. Add handmade decor pages. Handmade items bring personality into cottage homes. Ideas: crochet pillows, handmade pottery, embroidered fabric, DIY wall art, knitted blankets. Handcrafted decor adds warmth and authenticity. Let your home tell a story. The beauty of English country cottage style is that it feels personal. Mix family treasures, vintage finds, old books, travel sovereigns, meaningful decorations. A cottage home should feel full of memories, comfort, and charm. Decorate with vintage books. Old books instantly create a cozy countryside feeling. Style them on coffee tables, inside open shelves, beside lamps, under candles or vases. Choose books with neutral or edged covers for a timeless cottage look. Use soft floral wallpaper. Wallpaper can completely transform a room into a charming cottage space. Best patterns: tiny florals, vintage roses, botanical prints, soft vines. Use wallpaper on accent walls, entryways, bedrooms, powder rooms. Use soft, neutral rugs. Rugs help soften wooden floors and make rooms feel warmer. Choose oven rugs, vintage style rugs, floral rugs, soft neutral tones. Layering rugs also adds extra cottage charm. Create a relaxed dining space. A cottage dining room should feel welcoming and comfortable. Add wooden dining chairs, linen tablecloths, candles, fresh flowers, vintage dishes. The goal is to cozy gathering space, not a formal dining room. Display seasonal decor naturally. English cottage homes often change decor with the seasons. Examples: spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn pumpkins, winter candles, and pine branches. Seasonal touches keep the home feeling fresh and alive. Add rustic wooden trays. Wooden trays are both beautiful and practical. Use them for coffee stations, bathroom decor, dining tables, candles, and flowers. Rustic wood adds instant cottage warmth. Make small spaces feel cozy. English cottage style works beautifully in small homes. Use light colors, mirrors, open shelving, multi-purpose furniture, soft lighting. Small spaces often feel even cozier in cottage style. Focus on comfort above everything. The heart of English country cottage decorating is comfort. Your home should feel warm, peaceful, welcoming, soft, personal. A perfectly styled room is less important than creating a home that feels cozy and loved. Use vintage inspired fabrics. Fabric plays a huge role in cottage decorating. Choose linen, cotton, soft floral prints, gingham patterns, lace details. These fabrics create a gentle and romantic countryside feeling. Decorate fireplace areas warmly. If you have a fireplace, make it the cozy centerpiece of the room. Style it with candles, vintage frames, old books, small plants, rustic lanterns. Even a fox fireplace can create cottage charm. Use distressed furniture. Furniture with slightly worn paint or aged wood fits perfectly in English cottage homes. Examples: distressed cabinets, vintage side tables, rustic benches, painted wooden chairs. Imperfect furniture gives the home character. Decorate with antique frames. Vintage frames add timeless beauty to walls and shelves. You can display botanical art, landscape paintings, nature sketches. Mixing different frame styles create a collected cottage look. Add soft table decor. Dining tables should feel simple but charming. Decorate with linen runners, candles, wildflowers, wooden trays, ceramic bowls. Simple table styling creates a peaceful countryside atmosphere. Keep the home light and airy. Avoid overcrowding every corner. English cottage style feels best when rooms are bright, fresh, relaxed, comfortable. Leave some breathing space between decorations. Decorate corners with small cozy details. Empty corners can become charming cottage spaces. Add a wicker basket, a small lamp, stacked books, a plant, a cozy chair. Little corners help the home feel warm and lived in. Create a home that feels peaceful. The true beauty of English country cottage style is the peaceful atmosphere it creates. It is not about expensive furniture or perfection. It is about comfort, warmth, soft beauty, vintage charm, a relaxing countryside feeling. Use soft lampshades. Lighting can completely change the mood of a cottage home. Choose lamps with fabric shades, floral patterns, warm light bulbs, vintage style brushes. Soft lighting makes rooms feel calm and cozy. Add cottage charm to windows. Windows should feel soft, bright, and welcoming. Try lace curtains, linen drapes, floral tie backs, small flower pots on windowsills. Natural sunlight is one of the most important parts of cottage decorating. Use wooden cutting boards as decor. Simple kitchen items can become beautiful decorations. Lean wooden cutting boards against kitchen backsplashes, open shelves, counter corners. They add rustic warmth instantly. Display cozy blankets everywhere. English cottage homes love comfort. Place soft blankets on sofas, at the end of beds, over reading chairs, inside wicker baskets. Layered textiles make the home feel extra inviting. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cozy home decorating inspiration. Thanks for watching the video.